Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're turning our attention to a rising star in the electric SUV world, the 2026 Rivian R1S. Built for adventure and packed with cutting-edge tech, the R1S continues to redefine what it means to drive electric in the wild. With smart updates for 2026, Rivian's flagship SUV is more capable, refined, and exciting than ever. Let's dive into what's new and why the R1S is charging ahead. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 R1S keeps its distinctive, futuristic look with minor tweaks that enhance both form and function. A sleeker front end with refined lighting elements gives it a cleaner, more aerodynamic profile. New color choices and updated wheel options let drivers express their style, while the R1S still retains its bold, rugged stance, perfect for urban and off-road adventures alike. Performance and powertrain. Power comes from dual or quad motor setups, offering up to 835 horsepower and exceptional off-road capabilities. For 2026, Rivian has improved range estimates and optimized charging speeds. With adjustable air suspension, over 14 inches of ground clearance, and multiple drive modes, the R1S is ready for trails or tarmac. Safety and technology. Inside, the R1S features updated software, enhanced driver assist features, and an even more intuitive infotainment layout. Over-the-air updates keep things fresh, while Rivian's safety suite now includes improved lane centering and adaptive cruise. The spacious interior blends luxury with utility, offering ample room and high-end finishes. Conclusion. With bold style, serious capability, and next-gen tech, the 2026 Rivian R1S stands tall in the EV SUV market. Whether you're going off the grid or heading downtown, this all-electric powerhouse is ready. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more auto news and reviews.